call for prayer, and you can see the Muslim men walking towards the place of prayer. Bahla Fort. But before I go up there, let's check this. Looks like old mud houses below the castle itself or the fort. Wow, so that's how people lived down below. And it does look old. Look how it was constructed. Yeah, let's get a little bit closer. Mud and straw. And if we turn up, the fort has kind of a similar color, but you will see if it was built from mud. I kind of doubt it.
Good morning, sir.
Hello, good morning, how are you?
Alhamdulillah, how's it going? Good?
Yes, a little bit hot, but good.
No, the weather is great now.
Really?
June, July, August, that is hot.
Oh,
But now we are in a good time.
so that's good that I came at this time.
What person?
So one ticket, please. Credit card. Okay, so they told me to go straight to the right, and then I can climb up to the highest point of the fort. And it looks like I will have the fort for myself, mostly. So who could resist? Let's take in the view. Well, it does have a lot of steps, as one would expect, and I think I was very wrong. It's not made of bricks or stone, it's mud. Well, there is some stone, but most of it is mud and straw. It used to be and is pretty complex. And the roof and the ceilings made from wood and palm trees. And we have some other visitors coming up. It's definitely not overcrowded, but some people do come. Bahla Fort is one of 4 historic fortresses situated at the foot of the Jebel Akhdar highlands in Oman, and it's a UNESCO World Heritage Site. The fort is believed to have been built between the 12th and 15th century by the local tribe who inhabited the area at the time and were known for controlling the trade of frankincense. As part of the complex, there was also an ancient wall spanning 13 kilometers, and part of it are still standing, but not the whole wall, no way. As the fort was built with bricks made of mud and straw, erosion damaged the structure until rehabilitation efforts were launched, and rehab was completed sometime in 2012, and at that time the fort was reopened for visitors. However, even today, more than 10 years later, the complex lacks visitor information. There are no exhibits or brochures available to learn more about this large space. So I think that's something that they should probably improve, and maybe more people would come. As you saw, there are not or were not many visitors, but it's still a pretty interesting place to visit, definitely. I think it's worth visiting. Let's take a look how people below the fort live. And except abandoned houses, I would say, not bad. And a lot of mud houses below the fort, still hopefully waiting to be restored. It's pretty hot, well over 35 degrees, and it's not even noon yet. So I think this will be the end of my visit to Bahla Fort in Oman today. Thanks for watching, take care, goodbye, and in the meantime, I'm going to find some shade and cold drink.